Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drum baffle in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the drum baffle is broken or damaged, causing clothes to become torn when you're running your dryer. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance I will be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to start by turning our dryer around. So what we'll need to do is remove these screws up here in order to get the control panel off. So now that we've got the back unscrewed, we can just slide the control panel over, and we're going to lift it up, and we're going to put it back in this space right here. Now we're going to open up our dryer door, and on either side there are two screws going straight up, so we need to remove those screws now, and we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver to take these screws out. Now that we've got those screws out, we can take the top off. All we have to do is just lift up and pull back slightly on the top. And we'll set that off to the side. So the three screws up there are what hold our drum baffle in. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that the drum baffle that you want to replace is on top, so that those are the three screws corresponding to the drum baffle you're replacing. And then we'll remove the screws. And as I remove these screws, with one of them being out, the baffle's a lot looser. So I'm just holding onto the baffle in front in order to stabilize it so that I can unscrew the rest of the screws a little bit easier. And as you take out this last screw, just keep in mind there's nothing else holding the baffle, so once that screws out, the baffle's just going to fall right out. There we go. Look at all that dust in there. And presto! Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drum baffle. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Alright, so we're going to put our baffle into the front of our dryer now, and we're just going to make sure that all the holes line up, and then we can start screwing it in. And just to make this a little bit easier, I'm just screwing the ones in on the ends first. Now I'm going to put the top back on, and you'll see there are two tabs sticking out from the top. There are going to be two slots that correspond with them. So I want to line all those up. So after I line those up, make sure that the tabs go into the slots, just like that. And there's a couple on the front as well. So now we can screw that back in. So we'll put in our screw. And with that little tiny hole at the top, you should be able to line up the screw with the hole that it belongs to there. Once you got that started a little bit, finish screwing it in. Now we're going to put our lint filter back into place since that came out a little while ago. There we go. Now we can close our dryer door. Now we can line our control panel back up and slide that back over and set that back into place. Now we can screw it back in. Now we can turn our dryer back around, and then once we do that, we'll plug everything back in and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, pcappliancerepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.